All right, Jason Appy is here for our first look outside. Jason, of course, with Christmas weekend, we're all concerned about holiday travel, but, pretty clear out there.
Yeah, mostly good. There will be a little patch of some freezing drizzle tonight, which I'll get to on radar. But for now, we are all clear. It looks very good across the state. So no problems in Maine with any commuting going on. However, let's just take a little bit of a pan here off to the west. You see what's going on in Vermont and in New York, Massachusetts. Snow and a little freezing kind of pocket popping up there around Rutland. That is going to head east, so about 77 miles away. It'll get here after midnight. But it's going to fall apart a bit, it's going to weaken a bit, and also going to warm up a bit. So I'm not anticipating a widespread freezing rain situation. But still, if you're headed out after midnight west, watch out southern Maine. Temperatures with that southwesterly breeze tonight, notice here, there it is being picked up, that little batch of snow. Interior York County, Cumberland, southern Oxford, heading back towards Carroll County, New Hampshire, even a little bit Merrimack there. Watch out, but that's over by the time you wake up tomorrow for the most part. Wind southwest. Tomorrow we'll have a bunch of sunshine, some clouds, and then temperatures warm up into the 40s, just barely in Portsmouth, 37 Wiscasset, 40 in Portland by Sunday evening, 8 o'clock. So the sun long gone by that point, but we've got some cloud cover moving in to help insulate the atmosphere. And by this time, I'm not expecting a big widespread freezing rain situation here either because, number one factor, you've got temperatures that are in the upper 30s, mid 30s, and 40s. So right now, I think we dodged the big bullet there as far as any freezing rain or ice storms. 41 and cloudy for Christmas in Bangor. It's going to be really the only snow you're going to see in the snow globe is in the snow globe I zoomed into, unfortunately for the kids. So hate to be the bad messenger there. High pressure in control. This is Christmas Day, 7 o'clock in the morning. If you're doing, obviously, traveling maybe after presents or whatnot, pretty much all clear eastern seaboard. But there's a storm that's getting going in the southeast, the Ohio Valley, Great Lakes. This is obviously the day after Christmas, the 26th. So you're seeing that precipitation start to move through. Now, as far as we go, you have to wait until the 27th, 28th before we get anything measurable. Precip-wise, most of this is going to be rain and not the frozen variety. But there is that opportunity for more than an inch again in Bar Harbor and Rockland. So have to really watch it very closely going forward as we get into the middle of the week, although not a big travel week, I think, for the middle of the week. So we're most likely going to be just fine there. Seas 2 to 3 feet for the Mariners. Wind southwest 5 to 10 knots. Water temp 43. If you want snow at the coast, you'd like this to be a lower number because that onshore flow at 43. It is tough to get things to really stick along the immediate coastline. Next 3 days, how about some 40s around here? I mean, who's complaining about that except obviously, even the ski resorts, I would imagine, and the kids looking for snow, but everyone else looking to get a break on the heating bill is going to like these temperatures. So it's one of those double-edged sword kind of forecasts where you love to see 40s because you're not cranking the heat, but you don't love to see it as we get in December or the end of December and you're looking to do things like outdoor events. Maine is a massive state for outdoor winter sporting events, and this is not really the week for that when you see temperatures pushing close to 50. But once again, heating bill versus the outdoor stuff, Sam, it's a give or take.
And as we heard from Donovan's story up at Saddleback today, even they know that it's a long winter and plenty of time for snow.
Many winters we have flipped the script in January and February and come back with a vengeance. Even, as you know, as Kevin Minnick said, April, a winter month around here. So.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
All right, Jason, thank you.